The blacksmith, guardian of the forge, where metal meets magic and legends are made. From ancient times, blacksmiths were vital, arming heroes and shaping the destinies of realms. They craft essential tools and formidable weapons, equipping adventurers, battling perilous DT foes. Forging is an ancient art, requiring immense strength, precision, and dedication to the craft. But true legends arise when magic intertwines with the blacksmith's skilled hands and ancient lore. Infusing weapons with arcane energies creates artifacts of incredible power and mystique. A master blacksmith can imbue swords with fire, shields with warding, or arrows with speed. These enchanted armaments turn the tide in epic battles, defending kingdoms and vanquishing evil. The blacksmith's legacy endures, forging not just metal, but hope for a brighter tomorrow. As the anvil teaches, greatness is forged, not found, through countless focused strikes.